Looking at beauty in the world is the first of purifying the mind. Live in each season as it passes. Breathe the air, drink the water, taste the fruit, and resign yourself to the influence of the earth. Leave the road, take the trails, disconnect to the modern world, and reconnect to the senses of nature. Nature is a light, and by looking at nature in its own light, we will understand it. By discovering nature, you discover your own light and yourself. In the right light, at the right time, everything is extraordinary. Go for green and solar. Choose Modi Solar Floodlight and VG Solar Strip Lights.